Hello everybody. This is day 2, I believe, of the coronavirus lockdown or something. And we've had a couple choppers fly over yesterday. We had a couple choppers fly over the day before. And now what we're going to look at is during this coronavirus lockdown, I made myself a new pick. I hope you guys can appreciate that. There's a lot of work went into that baby. And if you'll notice, where am I at here? There's a strange kind of a tip on there. Let's see if I can get it zoomed in. Look at that. Oh boy. Strange tip on it. But it works really well. It works really good. And what I'm going to do, see all that, where am I at? See all that rough stuff right there? What I'm going to do today is I'm going to polish it down to where it's really smooth. But that right there is the tip. It works. I don't know if it's a deforested diamond or what you would call it, but it works pretty good. It works really well. Anyway, hopefully we'll all survive this strange coronavirus thing. I'm not sure, what is going to happen or anything else. But I can tell you this. I believe it's something else besides the coronavirus that's actually getting these officials all worked up. I'm not really sure, but I'm betting it's something else. I'm betting it's something else, man. So, if any of you lock sporters out there ever used a forested diamond, let me know. Let me know what y'all think. I mean, it's pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And the grass is going to continue to come up. So there's my little puppy. Hey, Chloe. Hey, baby. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. This is a brand new channel. So I have 0 subscribers right now. And I'll talk with you guys later.